YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike, and we're back for another video.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wavy man.
Hey yo, what's up, man? It's your boy 365 for me.
What's up, Wave family? It's me, 3WP Rashad.
Make sure everybody go check out Waveman Mike.
Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Waveman Mike.
Make sure you guys check out Waveman Mike on YouTube. I just want to give a special shout out to my fellow course hair waver, Waveman Mike.
Right now, man, everybody go check out Waveman Mike right now
For providing valuable tips to the wave community all over the world.
right now.
Make sure I show his channel some support and love. Deuces.
Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Wavy merch, Smooth and Silky Durag. While we're talking about Wavy merch and durags, I want to mention that the durag I have on right now is also for Wavy merch. I also got another one over there. If you're interested in either one of those durags, then I recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay tuned and you can be here for the next video when I do on this durag right here. If that's the next video. But yeah, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Also go ahead and leave a like right now, like right now. Leaving likes helps me out. Don't you want to help me out? I mean, I'm trying to help you out by giving you this review so you can know what you're getting into before you buy something. So why don't you help me because I'm helping you? So like the video. Alright, so let's get into this durag. The one I have is blue and it has black strings. Here's a little close up. Okay, so first off, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is really nice for Wavy merch products. It's really nice because Wavy merch is very consistent with their packaging. They always have like the same like consistent patterns and designs on all the things that they package, whether it's a comb, a durag, or a brush. So if you haven't seen my Wavy merch brush review, you wouldn't know, but if you did see, then you would know it has like the same pattern on there, has the same font text, always has the logo. So it's something good for the brand that it's very consistent with what they do. If you can see on the front, it says durag right here. I'm not sure if this is the one that came with this durag. I know this came with one of the 3 durags that I got, but yeah, let's go ahead and read this right now. It says durag right here, premium head wrap, unisex, premium materials, long comfortable strings, and durable stitching. I would have to agree with all those things. Definitely very long strings. Just look how long these strings are. You could easily tie this durag. It's not like some durags out there where the strings you have to just barely struggle with the last tip of the dang string. These durags right here, they have very long strings and they leave you a lot of space to tie. The stitching, I can't really speak on stitching yet because like yeah, I mean it hasn't been that long since I got these durags. I got them last week, so of course the stitch is not gonna mess up now. But according to the thing, it's not gonna mess up. Well, it shouldn't mess up ever because it's very durable. And I think it might hold up to that standard. Something that's great about these durags is that it has branding on them. You can see the Wavy merch logo right here. It's on the center on this durag. If you could, I don't know if you can see, but it's on this durag that I have on right now too. I think this is, I don't know, I can't see, it's behind me, but I think this is the logo. If not, it's somewhere over here or back here. But yeah, so I can go ahead and leave the website and the pricing up for these durags right here. I'm gonna put those on the screen right now so you can see for yourself where to get these products. Alright, so you can pick up one of these durags at wavymerch.com for $9.99. They have 3 colors: black with gold stitching, burgundy with black stitching, and blue with black stitching. So you can pick up any one of those colors for the Silky Smooth Durag for $9.99 at wavymerch.com. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I think I covered everything. If I didn't, make sure to go ahead and comment down below. If you have any more questions about this do-rag, then go ahead and, you know, ask away. Don't be afraid to ask questions because I'm not afraid to answer them. That's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, let's go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get at least, can we get 60 likes? I don't know, that might be asking for too much. I would ask for something like 100, but you know, that's kind of like pushing it. So yeah, let's try to get at least like 50 or 60 likes. Forget that, let's ask for, if I can get 1 like on this video, if I can get 1 like on this video, I'll release the most fire video ever next. I mean, I do that anyway though, because all my videos are fire, but you get the point. Go ahead, smash that like button. Every single person smash that like button. That 1 like that I asked for, that's your like. The person that's watching right now that still hasn't liked the video, like, go ahead and like the video right now. I don't know why you haven't liked the video yet. Like, how hard is it just to press a simple button that's not even a real button? It's just on your screen. Just literally just tap it. It takes you 1 second. But the time that I spent explaining that you should have liked the video, you could have liked it by now within that time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm Waveman Mike. Like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy your day.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wavy.
Hey yo, what's up, man? It's your boy 3 Sisters Top for me.
What's up, Wave family? It's me, 3WP Rashad.
Make sure everybody go check out Waveman Mike.
Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Waveman Mike.
Make sure you guys check out Waveman Mike on YouTube. I just want to give a special shout out to my fellow coarse hair waver, Waveman Mike.
Right now, man. Everybody go check out Waveman Mike right now.
For providing valuable tips to the wave community all over the world.
Right now.
Make sure I show his channel some support and love. Deuces.